Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to unlock WhatsApp chats using your mobile phone. Let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application. And at the first section, you can see your locked chats. Just click it and type your passcode. Now, you access your locked chats. Just long press the chat and tap the three dots at the top right corner. Click Unlock Chat and input your passcode again. And there you go. Your chat is moved from your locked chats already. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.